In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about plumbing in a toilet so you can fix common issues without calling a pro every time. Alright, first off, if your toilet is running non-stop, it's probably the flapper valve that's worn out or not sealing right. You gotta check that because it's an easy fix, just swap it out, no sweat. Next, if your toilet keeps clogging, don't just keep plunging. Try using a plumbing snake to clear deeper blockages and avoid damaging the pipes. Also, watch what you flush. Only toilet paper should go down. Stuff like wipes or feminine products mess with your plumbing big time. When you're tightening bolts under the toilet, be gentle so you don't crack the porcelain, which is a real pain to fix. If your toilet bowl is slow to refill after flushing, check the fill valve. It might need cleaning or adjusting to get the right water level. Another thing, if you notice water pooling around the base, that usually means the wax ring seal is shot and needs replacing. And hey, don't ignore weird noises like gurgling or constant hissing because they're signs of bigger plumbing problems that can get expensive fast. One of the most common mistakes I see with toilet plumbing is over-tightening bolts and cracking the porcelain, which is a costly mess to repair. Another big one is flushing stuff that should never go in there, causing blockages that can back up your whole system. Lastly, ignoring a running toilet wastes tons of water and drives your bills up. Just swapping out a flapper valve can save you a lot of cash and hassle. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to plumbing or any home repairs. Plus, it's a solid way for contractors to find steady work without jumping through hoops or dealing with shady clients.